Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia, and if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. I really appreciate that. Okay, and I love your comments, guys. I love to read the comments and write back. Okay, tonight we're actually going to do an unboxing from Rhinestone Goddess Creations. You guys know I love fairies. I'm not sure if this is a fairy, but it's called Angel, and it's by Cindy Emery. Okay, let's open this baby. It came actually in the box, but I took it out of the box. So we got the toolkit here, and of course the painting here. So let's just put this aside, and very quickly let's look at the toolkit. Now Lauren is the owner. And she has her own website, which is called Rhinestone Goddess Creations. I will put everything in the description box. But she has something right now that it's an ongoing sale where you buy 3 and you get 1 free. If you buy 4, you get 2 free. And if you buy 6, you get 3 free. That's amazing. Okay, guys, so see, it comes with little baggies. This is just in case if you don't have your containers with you. It comes with very sharp purple tweezers. And of course, it comes with a pen. I believe this is a 2-placer. This is a single placer. And I think this is a 7-placer. So it comes with 2 multi-placers and 1 single placer. And of course, a comfort grip. Supposed to slide on the pen. And this is supposed to help for comfort. Especially if you suffer from arthritis or pain in your hands. It helps. And of course, a little tray. And the container with wax. And don't forget that, oh, actually there's 3 of them here. And don't forget that there's a little plastic covering. So make sure you peel it back and that way you can get the wax. All right, so let's move this aside. So if you're a beginner, you have everything that you need just to begin diamond painting. Of course, like I mentioned, it did come in a box. It also comes with a plastic bag to protect it while it's traveling. So let's open this baby up. Okay. Now this is the sheet. Now this is not a sticker sheet, but that's okay. If you have a Xyron, you could actually make, a Xyron is a sticker maker, so you could actually convert this into a sticker. All right, so here's the beautiful picture of the painting. Isn't it gorgeous? It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then over here, let's just look at this very quickly. It tells you that it has 59 colors. As you can see, it says all one bag for each color. So that means there's 59 colors, 59 bags. Okay. And then of course, here are the symbols. I'm looking at the symbols. Looks like 1 through 9 are the first. And then you have some alphabet. And let's see, all the way to a backwards Z. And then of course you have some symbols like a plus sign, equal, star, a question mark. And then of course some more letters, but these are lowercase. Okay. And more symbols. All right, so let's put this aside because we don't need this right now. Let's see what's in here. Here we have the drills. Oh, wait. Oh, actually, no, wait a minute. I take it back. There is a sticker sheet. I take that back, guys. All right, let's put that aside. There is a sticker. So you don't need a Xyron to make stickers. Okay. So you could actually put this in your logbook. So here, you put the start date, the end date. There goes the picture again. It's a sticker. Okay. And again, these are pre-cut stickers. And these you could put on your container. All right. So very delicate. So let's just put this over here because we don't need that for now. But I will probably need the picture. Maybe not. We'll see. All right. And here are the drills. Like 59 colors. Now what I like, it's these bags. As you can see, these are resealable bags. So you don't even have to kit up. You could actually leave them in the baggies. Okay, I'm just going to bring it up because we're going to take out the special drills. But in the meantime, let's just look at the colors very quickly. So we've got like a red, some pinks, lots of pinks and reds, grays, lots of grays. This is like another green, some beige, some peach colors, some coral colors. This is like a wine, like a burgundy. More pinks, lots of pinks, purples, blues. So you got like a little bit of everything, guys. All right, we'll look at that later. And by the way, these are resin drills. As you can see, they are in order because this is number 59. All right, so we'll look at that later. And now I'm gonna just show you very quickly. This is the canvas. It is soft, actually, and it has scallop edges, which is nice. And it also has the pinholes, which is nice because this helps to prevent from the canvas from fraying. Okay, so this is a biggie. All right. I don't know if you can, I hope you can see her, but because of all this glare here. But okay, so on the top, there's their logo, okay? RGC, which is Rhinestone Goddess Creation. Okay, let's go all the way to the bottom. Here we go again. All the way here on the left bottom side, it has a picture. It says it's Angel by Cindy Emery. That's the artist. It is a 60 by 75 centimeters Rhinestone Goddess Creations. And again here, Rhinestone Goddess Rhinestone Goddess 22 at yahoo.com. All right, and it does have two legends. It has a legend on the upper left-hand side, and then it has another legend on the bottom right-hand side. So let's look at the legend very quickly. Again, it has 3 rows. If you look at the first row, it says it has 59 colors. If you look at the middle, these are the symbols, and like I said before, so you have 1 through 9, then some alphabet, and of course some symbols. And then at the last row, it's the DMC code. By looking down here, it looks like I selected 3 ABs and 2 shimmer drills. Okay, the shimmer drills start with a Z, G, and if it ends with AB, that means Aurora Borealis. Okay, and oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that with Rhinestone Goddess Creation, you could actually select your size, the size that you want, and the drills that you want. So if you want a round or square, I always try to select round because that's what I prefer. And you could also select how many ABs you want. I believe you can pick 3 or 5. And then of course the shimmer drills. I can't remember. But this one, I selected the 60 by 75. And this one, like I said, is called Angel. But look at how beautiful she is, guys. It has all the colors I love. Now, look at the background here. It's like a window. It looks like she's, I don't know, maybe like in a church. But it's a very beautiful window, round window, which I love. And then she's wearing like a crown of flowers. And look at her wings. That's what I love about fairies. I mean, she's called Angel, but I believe she's a fairy. I'm not sure, guys. I'm gonna move this glare back. But look at that. Look at the wings. Look at the colors. Absolutely gorgeous. And this does have a lot of confetti, which means that you're gonna have to be changing your drills a lot. Look at how gorgeous she is. Absolutely stunning. Love the colors. She's got this beautiful long neck. Look at this. Look at the wings. And you get more of the background here of the window, more over here on this side. And then she's wearing this beautiful gown. Now let me look at the picture now. That's gonna actually help me. But let's see. It looks like, oh wow, her gown is absolutely stunning. It has like these little ruffles hanging here, which sort of looks like wings also, like feathers. And then it has like this flowing, long blue-green dress with grays on it too. And then here on her arm, it's like I think it's a flower bracelet with little vines and little flowers. Yeah, this is actually stained glass window that's behind her. Absolutely beautiful. And the colors, that's what I love about this painting. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel this a little bit. Okay, now this, I wish it was a little, the plastic was a little thicker. Okay, let me just bring it up. It's very, very clear, guys. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but it's tons of confetti, which I prefer, believe it or not, confetti. So I'm just gonna bring it up so you can see it a little closer. I prefer the confetti over the color blocking because actually I like a little bit of both, but I prefer confetti. Look at that face. Look how clear, look at the symbols. Okay. There goes her face again. The wings. And of course the window in the background. Stained window, which I love. I mean, who doesn't love a stained window? Look at those wings. Wow, they're huge. And let's look at her beautiful outfit. Oh my gosh. See, and then her arm. There's her arm. Okay, so let's, I'm gonna turn this baby around. So we can try to look at the drills. Now, like I said, we're only gonna take out, let's see, we're gonna take out 3 ABs and 2 shimmer drills. So basically 5 special drills. Let's see, and then we're gonna see where they belong. I could take all these out and lay them out for you too. Oh, mamma mia, come on. Well, this is a lot of colors, guys. So let's just pick out the special drills. Okay, love that they're in order. So let's see, what do we say? Yeah, this is the shimmer drill. This is a shimmer drill. AB, AB, and AB. Okay, I'm just gonna do this to see if you can see the colors a little better. Once more, I'm gonna bring it up so you can see them. We're gonna need this light a little closer. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so you have browns, grays, mustard color, blues, purples, pinks, greens, lots of different color grays and browns and reds and pinks. Okay, and blues. All right, so we're gonna put that aside for now. And let's look at the special drills. So this one is, let's see. This one is 208 AB. It's a very, very pretty purple. Can you see that? Very shiny. Okay, this one is 712 AB. This is like an off-white. Very pretty as well. I wonder where they're gonna be, huh? Where they're gonna go in the canvas. This one is in orange, and this was 972 AB. Not a lot of this, but it's very pretty. And then this one is Shimmer Drill, and it's 961. Another purple, but this one is slightly darker than the other purple. And this one is 3863. It's like a cocoa. It's a pretty brown. Okay, so now we're gonna turn this baby around and we're gonna find to see where these drills go. All right, so let's turn this baby around. She's pretty big, guys. Did I mention, yeah, that she's 60 by 75 centimeters. Okay, so 55 is it looks like a pie. So let's see. We're just gonna look for the purple, right? Could it be up here? Oh yeah. Over here, all around the wing, right here. Let's see, how about on this side? Any on her? Nope. It's definitely over here. On her wing over here. I'm gonna stand up. I think, oh, well, if I stand, oh wait, the glare. Let's push this back. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see where else. Down here, maybe in her dress. Nope. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be on the wings, on the top of her wings. Okay. Okay, the next one is 712 AB, and it's a Y with 2 little lines. Okay, let's see. Could it be up here on the stained glass beautiful window? Nope. Okay, you have some right here on her hair. Ah, right here, lots here on her wing. Down here a little bit. How about on her shoulder? Nope. Okay, or arm? Nope. Okay. Oh, over here. How about over here? Nope. All right. So it looks like it's me also on her wing. Okay. Number 57. Okay, this one is 972 AB, and it's an arrow pointing to the left. Okay, I see it already. Okay, wait. Some up here on the stained glass, which is nice. Okay. You have one here on her chin, 2 on her cheek, 1 over here, a lot here on the stained glass window again, a lot here in this area here, concentrated, and some over here. Okay, and that's also the stained glass window. All right, that's gonna look very pretty. This one I call a tree. It's a tree. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we have any up here. Because it's purple. So I thought it would be up there. Okay, how about down here? Huh, where are you? It's purple. Right here. There's some here. And some here. So it's gonna be, it looks like that dark purple all the way down here, dark purple. And that's, I believe, is that her dress? That is her dress. That's part of her dress, guys. Oh, lots down here. Lots down here also. Okay. And the last one. And this one is, okay, this one is 3863. Okay, so it's like a brown. Any up here, let's see. This one looks like a, I can't remember. It's like an L and then a little dot. So I see one up here. And that's gonna, oops, that's gonna be in the stained glass window. Some up here. Again, the stained glass window. I don't see any on her hair or her flowers. Oh, no, take it back. Right here, some here, scattered. I believe that is her hair. How about down here? Nope. How about over here? Over here again, the stained glass window. All over here. Wow, that's gonna be, look, oh, down here, also stained glass window. Okay, so this one looks like it's gonna be on the stained glass window. Okay. Most of them are gonna be the stained glass window and her wings, and a little bit on her dress and her hair. Now, I could definitely bling this one out even more, guys. I would definitely add more bling, probably on the window and on her wings, maybe a little bit more, and definitely on her flowers, and some here on her bracelet. Yeah. Well, that's it for tonight. I hope you guys love her as much as I do, and have a wonderful rest of the week. I will be having I probably have a whipping chat on Friday, and yeah. So, and I'm actually, yeah, I'll be doing that. I think I'll be doing that. Have a wonderful week, guys, and thank you very much, and bye-bye.